Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace an alternator in a Toyota Camry V6. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery cable, first using a 10mm wrench to prevent electrical shorts. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface with the engine completely off. Having your tools ready, such as 10, 12, and 14mm sockets, will make the process much smoother. Now, let's get to accessing the alternator. First, locate the serpentine belt tensioner. Using a 19mm wrench or a breaker bar, loosen the tensioner and carefully slip the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connections. There's a main power wire secured by a 10mm nut. Remove this nut and the wire. Then, unplug the multi-wire electrical connector by pinching its release tab. With the belt and electrical connections out of the way, it's time to remove the old alternator. You'll find 2 or 3 mounting bolts, typically 12 or 14mm, holding it in place. Remove these bolts completely. The alternator might be snug, so gently pry it loose with a screwdriver if needed. Once free, carefully maneuver the old unit out of the engine bay. Remember to transfer any small brackets or nuts from the old alternator to your new one. Installing the new alternator is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting area and loosely install the mounting bolts. Reinstall the serpentine belt onto the pulleys, ensuring it's correctly routed. Then, use the tensioner to tighten the belt to the proper specification. Reconnect all electrical wires, securing the 10mm nut, and finally, reconnect the negative battery cable. Double-check all connections before starting the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.